Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
नॅशनल थिएटरची प्रॉपर्टी आमची असा की जी त्यांच्यानी विकपाक काढल्या तांकां देव दाखयतलो हांकां आनी देव ताका पुच्छू करतलो आतां हाका त्या बिल्डरांक विकपाक दिता एक लीज एग्रीमेंट जो सोंपलो 2007 तो जाणा आपूण आनी हे कायद्यान तो व्हरता म्हणून आनी हे न्यू पॅनल आयला बिल्डराचे पॅनल हे सगळे बिल्डराक हेल्प करपाक विकपाक काडल्या हेंच्या सगळी प्रॉपर्टी एकूच न्ही आनी हेतून खूब आसा कमराबाट आसा आनी कितें सगळें हेंच्यानी विकपाक काडला ती दादागिरी केन्ना पळोवना आमी
He Dadagiri
another
2 months will be Dadagiri. Then he will know his place. People of Panjim will show them the place. 20 crores of market, around 30 crores of house tax trade license, or total 50 crores आमकां हाडूंक जायना. बाबूजान सांगलें न्हू आपूण घरांनी दितलो म्हणून ताका दिवंक जावना. मागीर तेजे तालिगांवच्या लोकांक हाडून हांगा बोल्ले म्युनिसिपालिटीन आनी म्युनिसिपालिटी फारीक करीत आहा.
He's just unhappy because it wasn't done in his time and it's done during Artel. Everyone knows what Uday is like. He would have sold his building also if it was possible. We are not interested in any of that. So we are doing everything properly. All our documents and everything are ready for all of you to scrutinize at any point also. You can sit for our meetings. There is nothing for us to hide also.